Good morning, my dear children. Let us learn science. Lesson 3, the solar system. Before starting our lesson, one activity is given, that is riddle time. You have to find the riddle. It is very easy. All of you read the clue and do it. Then, today we are learning about universe and what is solar system. Okay, our lesson is solar system. In this lesson, we are learning about the sun, stars, and planets. And let us see what is universe. In Malayalam, we are telling Prapancham. What is universe? If we are looking up, what we can see, a vast space you can see up with the stars, sun and all. Okay, so all these together called universe. Then let us see what is universe. Here it is. What is universe? The vast space means large area. Vast space that we see when we look up at the sky, and everything in it is called the universe. All of you underline and learn the definition today itself. What is universe? With pencil, write question on the top of this. What is universe, or define universe. What is universe? The vast space that we see when we look up at sky, and everything in it is called the universe. Then if you are looking up, what are the things we can see there? We can see stars and other heavenly bodies. And we can see stars, we cannot see planets, but planets are there, satellites, meteoroids and comets. All these together called universe. And next let us see what is solar system. Solar, you know what is solar? Solar energy we learn that we are getting from sun. So solar means what is there? Sun is there. Then the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites means their moon. And we can see moon, that is the satellite of our earth. Like this, all planets having moons. So what is solar system? The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids form the solar system. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് സോളാർ സിസ്റ്റത്തിലുള്ളത്? സൺ ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ, പിന്നെന്താ ഉള്ളത്? സാറ്റലൈറ്റ്, സൺ, 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets. ആ 8 planetsന്റെ മൂണിനാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? സാറ്റലൈറ്റ്. 8 planetsലെ ഒരു പ്ലാനറ്റ് ആണ് എന്ത്? എർത്ത്. ആ പ്ലാനറ്റിന്റെ എർത്തിന്റെ മൂണിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത്. ഇതുപോലെ ബാക്കി 7 planetsനും എന്തുണ്ട്? മൂണുണ്ട്. They are called satellites. And other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids form the solar system. ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടിയതാണ് solar system. Then let us see sun. What is sun? In first standard and second standard you learned it is a huge ball of burning gases. Then the sun is a hot ball of glowing gases at the center of our solar system. So center of our solar system, who is there? The sun is there. Center of our solar system, sun is there. That is huge ball of burning gases. Sun. Center of our solar system, sun is there. And it is the nearest star to the earth. And it is the nearest star to the earth. And see, if our earth is here, it is the nearest star. So name the nearest star to earth. Sun is the nearest star to earth. And it has a diameter of about 1,392,000 kilometers. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So from the earth the distance is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. two gases, mainly two gases. Sun ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത് മെയിനായിട്ട് രണ്ട് ഗ്യാസ് കൊണ്ടാണ്. ഏതൊക്കെയാ? ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആൻഡ് ഹീലിയം. Underline here hydrogen and helium. Name the gases. Hydrogen, 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 and helium, 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 hydrogen and helium. You know one another gas. Which gas we breathe? Which gas we breathe? Oxygen. And which gas plants need to do photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. There are other gases. Now you know hydrogen and helium. So this sun made up of hydrogen and helium. Name the gases. Hydrogen and helium. And see, we can see stars, planets and other heavenly bodies through a telescope. This is the instrument which we use to see heavenly bodies, stars, planets, etc. This is called a telescope. What it is called? Telescope. And see, in the sun, hydrogen changes into helium and releases a lot of heat and light energy. This energy is called solar energy. And in the sun, when the gas burns, hydrogen changes into helium. This gas changes into helium, and during this time it produces energy. ഈ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഹീലിയമായി മാറുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഇവിടെ എന്തുണ്ടാകും? എനർജി ഉണ്ടാവും. ആ എനർജിയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? സോളാർ എനർജി. And temperature on the surface of the sun is about 5500 degrees centigrade, and that at its core is about 15 million degree centigrade. And surface, ഈ സർഫസിൽ എത്ര ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ ഉണ്ടാകും? 5500. And in the center it is 50 million degree centigrade. അത്രയും ചൂട് സണ്ണിനുണ്ടാകും ഈ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഹീലിയമായിട്ട് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ. When this gas hydrogen changes into helium, there is a production of energy. That is called what? Solar energy. Okay. And see, without the sun's heat and light energy, there would be no life on the earth. And we get energy from the sun. Ultimate source of energy on the earth is sun. So without sun, life is not possible on the earth. Why it is so? Because we need the energy from the sun. So if there is sun, there is life on the earth. And see, next, the planets. The planets are heavenly bodies that move in orbits around the sun. This path, the path through which orbits move around the sun is called orbit. The path is called orbit. And like this, how many planets moving around? 8 planets moving around the sun. Okay, 8 planets moving around the sun. One planet is Earth. And see, they appear bright due to the sunlight that falls on their surface. There are total 8 planets in our solar system that revolve around the sun. Our Earth is one of them. Our Earth is one of them. Here it is given 8 planets. Then today all of you do one thing. Learn the name of 8 planets and their description. First one, Mercury, and it is the closest to the sun, smallest planet. Here you can see Mercury, closest to the sun and smallest planet. So what you have to learn? Mercury. You learn Mercury and you learn this description. ഇതും ഇന്ന് പഠിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. അങ്ങനെ 8 എണ്ണം പഠിച്ചു വെക്കണം ഇന്ന് തന്നെ. Then second one, Venus, and hottest and brightest planet called evening and morning star. And Venus is called evening and morning star. Then next, Earth. Third one, our Earth called blue planet, as most of the surface is covered with water, and only planet where life is known to exist. Third planet, our Earth, which has life on it, and it is known as blue planet. Then fourth one, Mars, called red planet because surface has red soil and rocks. Atmosphere mostly contains carbon dioxide. And fourth one is Mars, called what, red planet. And next is Jupiter, largest planet. Next one, Jupiter is the largest planet. And next one, Saturn, second largest planet, called planet of rings. It is made up of rock particles and ice, also called gaseous planet because it is made up of gases. And see, next planet is Saturn. Here you can see a ring around it. This is made of what? Made of ice and rocks. This ring made of ice and rocks, and it has gases in it. So it is called gaseous planet. Then next one is Uranus, third largest planet, gaseous planet, and has methane gas in the atmosphere which gives it blue-green color. And it has blue-green color. Why it is so? Methane gas gives blue-green color. And next is Neptune, and it is the coldest and farthest planet. Coldest and farthest planet. Which is the coldest planet? Neptune. അതായത് സണ്ണിൽ നിന്ന് ദൂരെയുള്ള പ്ലാനറ്റും നെപ്റ്റ്യൂൺ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെന്തായിരിക്കും? തണുപ്പായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? സണ്ണിനോട് അടുക്കും തോറും ചൂട് കൂടും. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഈ പേരുകൾ പഠിക്കുക, ആൻഡ് ഹൗ മെനി സാറ്റലൈറ്റ്സ്, എത്ര മൂണുണ്ടെന്ന് പഠിക്കുക, ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ പഠിക്കുക. ഈ ബോക്സിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ 3 കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് ബൈ ഹാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. So today all of you read this lesson. Okay.